I know in the past we've had a few of these update videos, but I feel very excited about this one. And there's a lot that has changed since the last video I uploaded and the last video that we had that was an update of the bus. And that's the reason for this video. I want to give you guys an update on what is being done to the bus and what has been done to the bus. Now I want to start with the loft behind me. So one thing that we did, we actually put the lights up and we also put the ceiling in. The ceiling is going to get the same white vinyl that we have throughout the rest of the bus. I just need to order some more of that and then we can glue that up there and then put the walls up and the trim pieces. That way the loft area will be 100% complete and we can knock that off the list of things to do for the bus. And then we have the front area up here. Nothing has really changed in this whole front area up here. We did actually install, or semi-install, put in place the spot where we're going to have the rear view camera monitor, and then some extra switches up there. As you can see, the monitor is helpful with backing up and then using it as a rear view camera. We have two cameras that we installed in the back. This one up top is a second camera that we just recently installed. And that way we can switch this monitor from a view where we can see the back of the bus if we're backing up. And then when we're driving on the road, we can see what's actually behind us on the road. Also, as you can see, we still have the shelving up top that doesn't have any of the faces on it. And that's mostly because we keep a lot of the tools up there. And it's just a space where they're kind of out of the way and just easy to grab when we need them. So once we start to wrap up projects and we don't need certain tools, this area up top will get a lot clearer and a lot nicer, and then we can start to install the actual cabinet doors throughout all of the upper cabinets within the bus. So the couch that I'm sitting on is, it's just a futon that I got off Facebook Marketplace, and it fits perfectly in here. It had 4 legs that I cut off, and I was able to make some brackets underneath where it can hold a drawer slide, a heavy-duty drawer slide on both sides, and it could pull out, and that way we have this futon that will turn into a bed. As well as the couch being able to fold down into a bed, it also, when it's fully extended in this way, it can actually lift all the way up. That way we have access to all the electrical components underneath the front couch. And up here in the living area across from the couch, underneath this window, we're gonna make a TV that pops up. And then we'll also have a shelf on top that will have a chair right here by the door, as well as the chair in the front that can turn around and use it as a tabletop to eat or do any work that we feel like we need to do. But right now, this is just an area where I keep all of the tools so that they're out of the way and not clogging up the rest of the bus. We have the same kitchen area over here. Nothing has really changed in the kitchen area. This has all been the same, but we mostly focused on the countertop and cabinet in the bathroom. So we'll take a look at that and show you all the progress that's been made in the bathroom. So we finally have, I'm not sure if I showed a lot of the wallpaper in the other videos, but we finally have wallpaper up in the front area of the bus, as well as through the hallway, and then in the back of the bus, which I'll show you. This is just a very easy wallpaper. It was just a peel and stick wallpaper, super easy, very durable, and it's slightly textured, which makes it a little bit more appealing and not as glossy. So we have this area here, and on the other side will be the bathroom. We were able to put this wall up, and then I'll show you inside the bathroom. So inside the bathroom we have the vanity with the mirror, and it's got a little closet behind it. We have a spot over here for an outlet that we're going to install. And then we were able to secure the sink with the faucet. And then we do have some trim pieces we need to add on the back side there, but this is what the bathroom is kind of looking like, fully assembled, besides the floor. As you can see, we use the same wallpaper inside the bathroom as well on the back side. We still need to stain that and then add a piece there as well as trim around the window. But this is kind of the whole setup of the bathroom. The toilet down there, and that's where the water will come in for the toilet. There are some trim pieces in the corner, as well as the ceiling that needs to be installed in the bathroom. From the bathroom, moving on to the back of the bus, we did the video of installing these pantry door slides, as well as the doors for in here. This is just storage inside of here, and then across the hall. This big one is the storage door, and then it'll also open up and create a door or a block from where you're taking a shower and changing in that area to block you off from the front, and then you can still use the bathroom while someone's taking a shower. As we move down the bus, we finally have the shower complete, except for the ceiling. But again, we're gonna use some more of that vinyl that we need to get for the bathroom and then the loft up there. But the shower is all complete. The door is in, the door's secured, the vinyl wall is up, the fixtures are in there, and it's ready for someone to take a shower. So that's one of the biggest projects that we were tackling. Wasn't sure what we wanted to do with it, but we found some options, just like the vinyl floor that we used for the walls, so it was 100% waterproof. And then the tile for the actual shower base itself, we found a very good deal at Home Depot. So we were able to put the shower together and finalize everything in a timely manner. It was something that we were very happy with and we liked very, very much. And the very back of the bus behind me, you can see that we started putting all of the wallpaper up. We put all the walls up, secured everything. There are some trim pieces we're gonna add eventually, just because of the gaps of the bus isn't 100% square, just to make everything look more aesthetically pleasing. We did continue the countertop look with the epoxy pours on the shelves that we have back here on both sides of the bed, depending on where your feet or your head are. There's an outlet up here on this shelf, and the other outlet is down on the other side. We do have these two fans, which are very helpful. They're just 12-volt fans. They barely draw any power, and there's a little switch in the back to turn them on 3 different speeds, so that if you're laying back there and you're hot, you can use these fans, depending on who's sleeping back there, to cool off. So those are all the big updates that we have in the bus right now. I'm hoping to get this bus done within the next month or month and a half, so we can take it on the road and kind of feel it out to see what works, what doesn't work, and what needs to be changed or adjusted, considering everything in here is pretty much custom. So I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you in the next video.